Before you start EUGYing, wash your hands. Make sure your surface is clean. Let's begin. Push out each piece and place in sequence. And don't forget to read our fun facts. Now we are ready to start EUGYing. Glue L1 and R1 together. Apply the glue near the edges of the pieces, but don't use too much glue. Hold for 20 seconds. Squeeze the edges of the A-bar. Put the A-bar in the slot. Start adding the next pieces in order. Did you know? Rhinos have a solid armor-like skin with a giant horn. They can weigh as heavy as 30 men. Even though rhinos are powerful creatures, their main diet is grass and plants. Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Push through the A-bar. Add the final piece using the alignment guide. Don't forget the air. Glue the piece together and insert into the slot. Did you know? Rhinos and ox pickers help each other out. Rhinos get a clean while the birds get a meal by eating the parasites off their bodies. Rhinos have terrible eyesight, so ox pickers also help warn rhinos of potential danger. Let's repeat with the right side. Did you know? Adult male rhinos mark their territories with piles of poop called middens. Their stinky poop is used to communicate with each other, since each rhino has the unique poop smell. Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Add the final piece using the alignment guide. Don't forget the air. Glue the piece together and insert into the slot. All complete! When you are finished, don't forget to tidy up and recycle the cardboard panels.
Bring home your whale! EUGY!
Meet more EUGY friends on our website.